Alright guys, we are on our way to our Christmas photo shoot, and should be really nice family portraits all in our Christmas sweaters. Sophie, what are you? Luna. Luna. I just ignored. Yeah. Oh, now you're paying attention, sweetie. Over here though, it's really nice, really pretty. But
turn right on Communications Parkway. YouTubers.
oh, trust me, all good to be wearing these here in a little bit, Leah.
You're not dating. That's too short.
Why?
Yeah, don't watch me open it. I'm
Oh, you have one too?
Yeah. I got the same. I opened it wrong, okay? What's it called? You should check out the trailer. It's really see right there. It's like
I'll check that out. Okay, and it just drops in
like
it?
this frozen thing. And you put it. Yeah, if you record that, you're gonna get a lot. And it's like there's like countdown. And once it like comes up, and then so do I just like there's big guys.
I guess.
Hold on, you just go like this. There we go. No, you have to pop this thing out.
This thing. Yourselves.
And then and then you just push.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
It didn't pop the glass ball there. It popped out already.
Here. Hold on, Ava.
not gonna
Ava,
work.
here. Come here.
It's not gonna work if you already
get
popped
through because there's that thing.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Yeah. Hold on, Ava, here.
It'll be.
Yeah, you gotta put this on to press it down.
This one?
Oh.
No, you don't. It's just this thing. It takes a lot of strength. That's why.
It looks good. Pretty good? Is it really?
Use the left 2 lanes.
You hit what?
Sorry, but have you seen my car?
rammed into me.
Oh my gosh. You guys are unbelievable.
He rammed into us.
I should have driven. She's driving at the middle.
Originally I was gonna film on top of there, but they have it shut down.
Right on
Right, that Tesla just stopped in the middle of traffic.
We're going to Chick-fil-A.
I know, I was just kidding, Sophie.
Why was he making that face? I don't know what you're talking about. The dude driving. Up here, but it's fine.
Luna, you don't have to play dead. I know you're on the couch. It's fine. Look, clearance right there.